Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a Chevy Colorado Z71 in all black. It looks really nice. Z71 off-road. I think it's a 2022, I'm pretty sure. I'll check it out in a minute on the window. Always like these Colorados. They got a nice little engine in them, the V6 mostly. And they're really good engines. They use them in a variety of their things. They use them in the Camaros and the let's check out the list there. What are they asking for this thing anyway? Oh, here's your price, $42. It's in all black. It looks really good though. It's like a short bed, which I like. Beautiful truck. I guess 42 is actually not very, it's actually not bad. I've seen, it does have the V6 in it. But nice rear window, which I like. But they redesigned the, looks like they redesigned up here a little bit or something. No, they didn't. Same old stuff. But the bed liner, it's got a nice bed liner coated in it. This is a nice truck. I don't think it's open. I'll check it in a second. But I have no complaints about these Colorados. I've heard nothing but good things about them. Yeah, it's not open. But yeah, the Colorados are nice little trucks, man. This one must have just got here because it wasn't here a couple of days ago. But I'm digging this little truck. It's not bad looking. Maybe I'll trade mine in one day. Trade it in or sell it. I don't know yet. But yeah, it looks good. Tell me what you think, guys. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. Bring you guys different cars and trucks every week. So try to keep things fresh, new, old ones, antiques, all this stuff. So if you enjoy that, subscribe to the channel and like the video, please. That helps out a lot. We'll catch you in the next one. Everybody drive safe.